Good afternoon. Temperatures here in Arabia are 42 degrees. So it's extremely hot. Anyway, we still have to scuba dive because we love it. By the way, this is a scuba cylinder. It shows that it's full. As you can see the cup, this is a regulator. Mine is, I like pink. Of course, you know, ladies love pink. Okay, these are the two regulators for you and for your body. This is for my body. As you can see, it's colored brightly and it's longer. Low pressure horse gauge to show you how much air you have. So we want to assemble our scuba cylinder. How are we going to do it? We take our BCD. There's one here. This one I inflated so that I want to know if it's okay. It's not leaking. So I want to deflate, remove the air. Then open my cylinder, check the O-ring. Yeah, remove the sand. Sometimes there's sand here. Check the dates for the hydrostatic dates, and if the air is safe to be used. We have two straps, so we have to use both of them so that in case one fails, we use the other. Right? So you have to make sure it's tight, and then use your 4 fingers from the neck to make sure it's tight as well. Boom, there you go. Boom. Yeah, now is it tight enough? Check. Okay, it's tight. Right, now we're ready to assemble, to use our to attach our regulator. Make sure all your regulators are on your right side, because this is the only way you can use them. And anyway, the low pressure hose goes here, so you can never use the other way around. Okay, open. Why? Because this part should not have dust or salty water or any water, because it's gonna get damaged. So you have to close it after use, open before use. There you go. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, if it's not straight, make sure it's straight a little bit. Yeah, straighten it. Okay, now it's straight. Okay, then your regulator goes in there, your low pressure hose goes in there. Pull and push. Okay, so pull and push. Done. Your regulator, this is yours, this is for your body. There's a pocket, so look for the pocket. It's here, so fold it, fix it in there. Okay, now you're ready to open your tank. Okay, this is your gauge. Put it where it cannot injure somebody, because this is plastic, so you can hide it here and open the tank. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So open slowly all the way to the end. Okay, when you reach the end, have a look, turn one and look. You have 200 burrs. Right, next, safe to look now. Next, inflate your BCD to make sure that it doesn't leak. If you ever inflate, it's gonna release. Yeah, here. So you can release from here as well to descend. Inflate again. You can use this one to deflate this button here. Inflate again, this one, and use the back one to deflate. This one is in case you are in this position, you can deflate using this. Alright, now you're ready to use your tank. Yeah, so if you don't want to use it now, close the tank, scuba cylinder, which has 21% oxygen, 79% nitrogen. Release all the air and put it down so that it's safe. Handle slowly. Yeah? Everything, handle them slowly, all the hoses, and put it down. Make sure it doesn't injure anyone. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and welcome. So this is our scuba cylinder assembled, ready to use. This is our compressor. That's one we are checking if it's okay. Yeah, inflated. These are our BCDs, our wetsuits. Yeah, I have all kinds of wetsuits here, but now it's summer, so we don't need them. Right, so thank you so much, and looking forward to training you as well. Karibuni. You're most welcome. We're here at the salon.